So guys, playoffs just around the corner. How does it feel?
Oh, feeling is great. Actually, we end the season very good. Good feelings coming back to our identity on the core, and of course, gonna be very competitive. But the feeling is just very good.
Guys, Tindastóll has had a very good team for the last couple of years. Are you feeling the pressure from the town and the supporters of the team back home?
Well, from my side, no, because since I am in Tindastóll, always we try to build the ambition project. So I used to play with this. So for me, it's not a big deal.
I mean, the pressure's not bad. It just allows us just gives us a goal to play better. And you know, they always say pressure makes diamonds, so we're ready for the pressure. We can take it on easy and come playoffs.
Tindastóll team has been shuffled around a bit this season. I mean, I guess most of the teams have gone through stuff like that. Bringing in Philip, what do you feel Philip brings to the team?
Well, as you say, this is a new league this season. Every team we are trying, we have been trying to find the right way. I think also we play like so good first half of the season, so looks like second half was not that good. But I mean, we are, as you say, every team is looking for the right way, and I think we finally found it, and now we are gonna go through to our principles and our game, and we are gonna give our best.
How does it feel coming into Tindastóll team this season?
I mean, at first it was a little pressure coming in because it was a very good ball club, but with coaches helping my teammates, they made it very comfortable and allowed me to come in and play to my best abilities and also help players play to their best abilities. So it was a good thing.
You had an amazing showing in last game against Keflavík. Do you feel you are coming more and more into your stride?
Oh, for sure. With every day is more reps, more chances to play with my teammates, learn each other a lot better. And my last game was all because of my teammates, putting me in better positions, allowing me to be successful when I can.
Maybe you guys bring in Philip mid-season, you bring in Brynjar over last summer. Do you feel you are bringing in like championship pedigree guys? Does it affect
we cannot guarantee the championship, but of course we are working for it. But it helped us a lot that Brynjar and PJ played together last season. It's a lot of more easy going for us. Help us, you know. So I think it's very positive to have both of them. But at the same time, I always like to emphasize in the team. You know, I think we have a pretty good roster, pretty good guys, easygoing guys in the locker room, and only guys like to practice really hard. But of course, it's a plus to have Brynjar and PJ because of course they have been playing 1 year, 1 season together, and they know how to win, and we can learn each other.
You guys are going up against Thor first round. They're pretty strong under the basket. How do you feel about your chances?
Oh, I'm very confident in my team. I mean, they're a very good ball club. We take nothing away from them, but they're also playing against a very good ball club. We're not going to come in and just lay down for anybody. Every minute, every possession is going to be a fight. And just how playoff season is, that's how it's going to be this first series for us.
At last, does Tindastóll have what it takes to bring the big one home?
Well, we are going to go one game at a time, that's for sure. We don't want to think longer, just to think, like you say, Thor is our next opponent on Friday, and we are going to be well prepared and to fight and ready for the battle.
Thank you.
You're welcome.